These are the 5 most common financial crimes. 1. Identity theft. Identity theft is one of the most rampant frauds affecting Americans today. There are several forms of identity theft, including credit card fraud or stealing an individual's SSN. 2. Insurance fraud. Another common form of fraud is insurance fraud, and it can cost insurance companies huge amounts of money. Basically, insurance fraud is when an individual makes a fraudulent claim for an incident that never occurred. 3. Credit card fraud. This very popular subset of identity theft involves stealing an individual's credit card or payment information and using that information to make purchases on online retail spaces. It can occur on both ends of the transactional spectrum. 4. Embezzlement. Embezzlement is when people misuse or misappropriate money that's been entrusted to them. Most often found in organizations like businesses, government agencies, and non-profits, embezzlement is a high-level fraud. It can often involve huge amounts of money being stolen or used illegally by one or several individuals. Embezzlement can also occur on a more personal level when somebody who is named the administrator of an estate misuses the assets for personal gain. 5. Tax fraud. This is very common, though not often the result of malicious intent. Simply forgetting to file a tax return can be considered tax fraud by technical definition. Of course, it also occurs on much larger scales. High-income individuals and organizations not reporting income or assets, trying to hide assets from the IRS, and taking unauthorized deductions are all pretty common examples of major tax fraud. In any case, tax fraud can carry a heavy penalty. With all those kinds of fraud out there, there's no such thing as being too careful when it comes to protecting your business and your customers. That means choosing a fraud protection platform that has the features and support to fully defend against threats. We can help protect your business from identity fraud, credit card fraud, chargeback fraud, and more. Fraud.net is a proven expert in the field of anti-fraud security. We can help protect your business from identity fraud, credit card fraud, chargeback fraud, and more. If you or your company are looking for the ultimate fraud defense platform, sign up for a free demo today.